Hi everyone, welcome to Go Education Hub. So today's topic is irrigation. The artificial supply of water to the fields is called irrigation. So let's go in detail of this chapter.
Irrigation. The artificial supply of water to fields is called irrigation. Water for irrigation in Goa is stored in storage tanks, natural springs, bundaras, wells, lakes and dams. Now, in this video, you can see the artificial supply of water to the fields using the sprinklers that are used by the common farmers of Goa. Storage tanks. Goa has a large number of storage tanks. Rainwater from the monsoon is stored in these tanks to irrigate the rabi crops. Sometimes it is used for cultivation in the Kharif season too. Kharif means the rainy season and Rabi means after the rainy season. Over 400 storage tanks are found mostly in the talukas of Salset and Bardez. In Ponda Taluka, spring tanks helps to irrigate the rice fields and arecanut groves. Arecanut means bede in Konkani language. These spring tanks are ponds that supply water through pumps. This type of irrigation is common in Khajan lands and low-lying areas. Natural springs. There are varieties of natural springs in Goa. The waters of the natural springs in the valleys are used to cultivate arecanut trees, means in local language we call it bede, and bananas, kedi. Such natural springs are found at Fatorpa in Bali, Raidor in Kavelosim, Torvelim in Shiroda, Ambora in Raya, Sinkerim in Kandolim. The spring of Kurka, Mercies, Boca de Vaca, Panji never dry up. Other springs are in Kesarwal in Salsit, Samona and Pomurfa in Bardez and Bimbal in Satari. Bundaras. We often see bundaras in our locality. Bundaras are nothing but small Manasari dams built for storing water. These bundaras help in irrigation by taking the water to the fields. You must have seen many bundaras. Wells. Well irrigation is found in low-lying coastal areas in the talukas of Pennem and Bardez. Water from the well is lifted either by hand or through pumps. In local language, we also call it bai. Lakes. Sometimes spring and rainwater gets collected in a large hollow lands. This forms a lake. The important lakes of Goa are Mayam Lake, Chimbal Lake, Karambolim Lake, Kalapur Lake, Kakoda Lake and Kurchurim Lake. Mayam Lake is the famous lake in Bicholim Taluka, where so many of the tourists come to visit. Dam. A dam is a wall built across a river to store water. Dams are either built of stone, mud, or concrete. Water collected in this way is taken to the fields with the help of canals. Here you can see the video of a dam. This dam is Anjunem Dam. These are the canals where the water is taken to the fields with the help of this type of canals. The main irrigation projects in Goa are the Salavlim project, the Tilari project and the Anjunem project. Water supply scheme. The Osnora treatment plant takes water from river Osnora and the Anjunem irrigation project supplies water for drinking to Mapsa, Bicholim, Thivim, etc. The other treatment plant is at Sankelim. It gets water from river Valvonti. South Goa. There is a water treatment plant at Opa Water Works near Ponda. It gets water from river Khandepar. It supplies drinking water to Margao, Panjim, Vasco da Gama and Ponda. It also supplies water to industries and the Marmugua port.
So if you like this video, then please subscribe to Goa Education Hub, and if you have any questions or queries regarding this video, then please comment below and don't forget to like, comment and share. Thank you so much for watching.